Hi Ashley, hope you're having a good night. I did some digging for you today and I was able to find actually a really nice Tahoe with 8 seaters, with a DVD player, with leather, everything you want. So let's go ahead and take a look. So black with the chrome accents, this is a Premiere, and you're gonna have the front parking sensors on here, back parking sensors as well. You're also gonna get your keyless entry right there, and it is gonna be a push button start. So as you come onto the inside, you see here's the leather seating that I talked about, power adjustable driver and passenger seat, and you also have the driver's seat memory function as well. And I'm just gonna pop into the front seat here and start it up real quick. So with this one, obviously you have a lot of options for your four-wheel lock. You have your lane keeping assist, your parking sensors, engine immobilizer. You have this really nice touchscreen display in the center here. Not only do you have heated seats, but you can choose if the heated seats are just for the backrest, for the seat and the back, and then you have your 3 levels of ventilated seats as well. This thing is absolutely loaded to the brim, really great options in here. You even have a wireless cell phone charger in the center console there. And I'm just gonna pop into the back here, show you some of those features that you had asked about. So it is gonna be seating for 8. I just have it fold down right now so I can show you how to access the back. You have the DVD player up there as well. As you can see, it looks like we got a Paw Patrol disc playing on it. I don't know if your kids like Paw Patrol or not, but I'm sure they do. And to get into the back seat here, it's really easy to access. It's just a little pull on the handle down here and it comes right out of the way for you. And then to push it back, as you can see, just one hand here, down into place, locks in, and then fold that back up. Super easy. I'm recording and using one hand to do this. And when you come around to the back, you're gonna see you have a nice cargo net there to help hold in your luggage in this 3rd row. You're also gonna have a little bit of extra storage, some privacy for some personal items in the base of the trunk there. And if you ever need to access more storage in here to fold down the seats, it's really easy. There's a couple little buttons here where you can fold and raise the rear seats. So just hold down on those and you'll see the seats lower down, really awesome. And then you can even lower down the 2nd row seats for yourself as well. And they actually fold all the way out of the way. There you go, just like that. Really awesome. And then you can fold back up the 3rd row seats. All right, Ashley, I think this is an awesome option for you. Let me know if you have any further questions, would like any further information. In terms of kilometers, it's sitting at right around 65,000 kilometers right now. I'm not sure if you consider that low or not, but for the vehicle in the year, I think that's a pretty good amount. So let me know if you have any further questions. If you'd like to get a pre-approval in this for place, once again, I'll get my finance team on that. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great night.